pretty good pressure right out the port. You can feel it like a little fan blowing right on you. Nice job. I like that. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. All right, man. What's your name? What's in here?
Robert Shattenberg. I have 3 level 6 DC 18s, 3 Genius 8Ks. I have a 320 amp Grand X alternator, 95 amp hour.
Okay. Nice.
Some 8s here.
And this is like a 4th order layout?
It's a 4th order. It's
okay.
Basically a 1 to 1.5.
Okay. Nice. You built this into the vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, looks really good. And the tuning on this, do you know?
The tuning is basically 42, but it peaks at 39, 40.
Okay.
So,
nice.
Cody Golet helped me do the roof.
All right.
And I pretty much did everything else. And my buddy Brett Davis helped me do the side pillars because I kept blowing them out. So I put
you got sealed
basically 20 layers, 10 on the front, 10 on the back.
Okay. Wow. Nice. And what was your SPL score?
I just did a 58.5 music 30-second average.
That was your 30-second 58? That's pretty good. Are you happy with it? Are you trying to break the 60?
Nah, my doors are burnt and our skin panels. They're all broke.
Okay. So. Yeah. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Looks good. Nice.
Like traphouse and then I'll play some. I just listen to basic music.
Sure, man.
No rebass.
Man. Is there a way I can see the amps in the back? And the other one's right there. Okay. Very nice. Are these wired at 1 ohm?
Yes.
Okay.
I rise from 4 all the way to 6.
To 6. Okay.
Per amp.
Cool. And you clamp? How much did you clamp out of them?
I just clamped 6,200.
6,200 all total on all 3. Oh, you're rising a lot. Yeah. Wow. Thanks for showing me, man.
Yes, sir.
Take a picture real quick if that's okay.
And all the mid amps are over there.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay. What frequency was that? That was like what?
39.
39, okay, right under 40. Yeah, pretty good pressure right out the port. You can feel it like a little fan blowing right on you. Nice job, I like that. You got one more?
It's R&B.
Okay.
It does
all right.
actually pretty well.
Sure. Yeah, man.
It's a little bit more windier.
Okay.
I turn the TV down. Something's going on upstairs. As I get closer to the stairway,
made me sneeze there. Nice job. Sorry. It's got really flat response, so it doesn't fall off. I like it, man. Thank you for the demo. Man.